Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TabLab here, back at it with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1026 in a row. Bitcoin price currently 54,666, down over 7% today, and just under $5,000 in my balance. Down about 6% on the week. In the last video, I kind of mentioned that we could see a little bit of a downturn just because we had such a strong month prior to that. You know, we're up 220% this year, so pretty much straight from 30K to 67K to be expected. A little dip here, you know. Like I said in the last video, I think we could come down to the top of this zone here and test that a little bit, but no big deal. We just keep dollar cost averaging, buying every single day. Bitcoin owned 0.09136298. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my face. It's gonna give us our order details and tap confirm. Just like that, we've added one more dollar of Bitcoin to the balance, which is currently $4,988. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. 4,988 divided by 1,026 days equals a 4.86x on my investment. So doing very well there. That's the power of dollar cost averaging over a long period of time. What this means for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $4.86. So real quick on some other news, I did a little giveaway for Thanksgiving on Twitter. All you had to do is basically reply with your cash tag in the Lazy Lions hashtag. So definitely follow me on Twitter if you want to see and enter more things like this. This one is already concluded. The winner has been selected. But yeah, definitely give me a follow on Twitter. Maybe I'll do more of these soon. I'm always sharing things like on Cash App or other little freebies. So maybe some stuff that you want to see there. But that'll do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.